Hey guys, my name is Brian, this is Simply Lost, and it's time for a new adventure. So for today's adventure, we're going to be walking around Montmartre, which is a large hill in Paris's 18th district, or arrondissement, with a height of 130 meters or 430 feet. So we're almost at the starting point, which is going to be Métro Blanche. As we walk to the starting point, I just wanted to give you a little interesting fact, is that it used to be called Mount of Mars and was later changed to Montmartre. So I'm at the starting point of this not so crazy adventure. We're going to be starting at Moulin Rouge, which is where I am right now. I think a lot of you are familiar with this, at least from pictures. Then after here, we're gonna head over to Sacré-Cœur, the Basilica of Sacré-Cœur. After that, we're gonna go in front, which is a small church called Church of Saint-Pierre, followed by a small plaza where a bunch of artists get together, which is the Place de Terre. After that, we're gonna go to Bateau Lavoir, which I'll tell you more about later. And we're going to end this little adventure at Mur de Je t'aime, which is the I love you wall. So for those of you who don't know, the Moulin Rouge is a cabaret in Paris. It was built in 1889, but then burned down in 1915. Today it's a very well-known tourist attraction, offering musical dance entertainment to tourists around the world. So I've never actually checked the prices or been inside, so let's go check it out. So it looks like if you want dinner as well as the show, it starts at 7 p.m. and you get the dinner, half a bottle of champagne, all that for a minimum of 190 euros, which is a little bit over $200, and it can go up all the way to 430 euros. Then if you just want to look at the show, you can go for as cheap as 117 euros. All the way to 225 euros. Now that we finished looking at the Moulin Rouge, we're going to continue our adventure and go to Sacré-Cœur. An interesting fact about this area is that it's pretty cheap and there's a lot of shops, so if you're an arriving student or somebody on a budget, I definitely recommend coming here. So we're almost there. All we have left is going up a pretty steep hill, but you can actually already see Sacré-Cœur, which is right there. So let's go take a look at the hill. So I'm sitting down right now in the grass, right here in Sacré-Cœur. I'm going to take a little break and I eat some of the chips I brought. So now we're going to continue our adventure with the Church of Saint-Pierre, which is one of the oldest churches in Paris, but the lesser known of the two between Sacré-Cœur and Church of Saint-Pierre. So there it is, Church of Saint-Pierre, which is right next to Sacré-Cœur. So now we're gonna head over to Place du Théâtre, where there's a lot of artists. Actually, I already start seeing some of them here. And if you feel like it, you can also come here and eat lunch or dinner at one of the many restaurants. So now we're gonna head over to Bateau Lavoir, and I'll explain a little bit when we get there. This place we're going right now, Bateau Lavoir, was originally a piano factory, but then it was later converted into a forum for artists all over the world, including Picasso. So we're gonna go check it out. I've never been there. So as you can see, I'm at Le Bateau Lavoir, which is this building right here. Now for the final stop of the adventure, we're gonna head over to the wall of I love yous, which I've never been to, which should be interesting. So let's go. So I'm not sure where it is, but it looks like after going down these stairs, we should be there. We finally made it to our last stop of the adventure, which is a wall of I love yous, and you can see it. It's right behind me. It's a love-themed work of art from the year 2000. What's interesting is that it has the phrase I love you written 311 times in 250 different languages. I'm going to show you in a minute, and then you can tell me if you recognize any languages. So that's going to be it for this adventure. I hope you liked it, and I hope you join me next week as I explore the Latin Quarter, Quartier Latin, including Notre Dame, the Fountain of Saint Michel, and Shakespeare & Company bookstore. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Also, if you like this video and want to see another adventure, you can click on the box right over here. Okay guys, that's it for today. Hope to see you soon, and remember, adventure awaits. Go find it.